Hey guys, ECRG here, back with another episode. The title of this episode is Why Clinical Research Tends to Dry Up After Halloween. So, a lot of people that listen to this podcast, listen on YouTube, want to get into the clinical research industry. Or even this applies for people that are looking to level up or, trying to change jobs around this time. And it's just a really, really hard time to try and get a job. There's a number of reasons for that. Before we get into all that, just want to let you guys know about the resume review program. If you're looking to improve your resume, if you're in the field already, or you're looking to kind of translate your resume into a clinical research resume, you're looking to change from a different industry like finance or something and trying to get into clinical research, this is great for you because there are a lot of different options you can choose from. And I'm really going to dig into your resume and really spend the time that a friend or another resume service is not going to spend with your resume, let alone have the expertise that I have when it comes to reviewing resumes and getting you the resume that you want and getting you the position that you eventually want with that resume. So if you're interested in that, email me, eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com. So let's go ahead and get into why clinical research is going to dry up after Halloween. The obvious thing is all the holidays coming up. So you've got right after Halloween in November, you've got Thanksgiving. So a lot of people are out of holiday and Thanksgiving. Then another one you've got Christmas, and that's usually going to be a week-long thing, Christmas and New Year's in December. So right after Halloween, you've got two big holidays there, November, December. So people are really checking out by this point because, the end of the year is coming. You only got 2 months left, and you've got a lot of holidays in there. So one of the things we notice even as CRAs is that sites aren't recruiting at this point in time. They're just not going to be recruiting. And that has a trickle-down effect or trickle-up effect, if you will. A lot of people are going to be taking time off. People are going to be using that PTO that they have accrued over the year and haven't used yet, because a lot of organizations are going to be use it or lose it. So you might as well use it if you're not going to lose it, so you don't lose it. So a lot of people are going to be taking time off around the holidays, increasing the amount of time that they're off. So you've got hiring managers going to be taking time off along with the holidays. They're not trying to bring on board new people. They're just going to really punt that for the new year, January, February, when things start getting back up and running again. So this is a time to, really, they may have job openings up, but they're not really going to be calling you back or messaging you back. They're really just going to wait until January. So you're going to realize you applied for that job, back in the middle of November, and they're going to finally be hitting you back in January. And you're going to not even pretty much remember you applied for that job. That's expected around this time. Really, the unexpected is if you get called in for interviews and things of that nature around this time. So that's pretty much just going to be for positions where there's a high need, a very, very high need where they want someone to come in and start immediately. So all this to say, I just want to let you guys know that what to expect. So don't expect to be getting as many callbacks as you will in like April, March, and around that time. So it can go kind of either way. I mean, you might get a quick response or you might not get any response. So I just want to let you guys know what to expect and don't be discouraged. That's the main point of this message, is to not be discouraged when you're starting to apply in this time frame. And that's pretty much the main point. You do not want to be discouraged, but you want to keep at it. So keep applying, keep putting your foot on the pedal, because a lot of people are probably just not going to be applying. They're probably just going to be on vacation themselves. They're going to be taking a chill pill. They're just going to be relaxing and punting it off for the new year. So this is a great time for those people that are really, really hungry to get into the industry to double down, keep applying, keep your foot on the pedal, keep your foot on the gas. Keep aiming for those 200 applications, because a lot of people are going to not be paying attention to it. And you might just get that one lucky person who isn't taking vacation or who wants to conduct interviews or whatever, or wants to have someone in place before the new year. They want them to already be interviewed and things of that nature for the new year. You might be that one lucky person. So keep that in mind. And I probably just released another episode talking about why you should double down around Halloween time. But, I love taking advantage of these opportunities, these holiday opportunities where other people are being slack. They're being lackadaisical and not finishing and following through. So take it. If you're really a go-getter, if you're really hungry for these opportunities, use this time to your advantage. And, you've probably heard quotes like this where, while you're sleeping, someone's working to beat you, those motivational type quotes, but it's really, really true. There are people out there that are hungrier than you and that have more hustle in them than you. So while a lot of people are going to be, around the holiday times, just taking their foot off the gas, just relaxing, saying, oh, yeah, we'll just wait until January. There are people applying nonstop for that job, and they're going to get it because they did not relax. So keep that in mind, guys. So keep up the effort, keep up the hustle. And if you need any help, ECRG is here for you. So you can email me, eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com, if you have any questions. I love it when people email me their questions because it creates good content for the podcast and things of that nature. And not only that, it helps a lot of people. If you have a question, a lot of times other people may have the similar question. So email in your questions, guys. Take care.